Hello friends, today I am dealing about the topic that is BCIM project, that is Bangladesh, China, India and Myanmar project. Some facts and figures about this project. It is about 2800 kilometer long corridor. It starts from Kolkata and that is India, and later it goes to Bangladesh, and from that it goes to Myanmar. Later it reaches to China, the place called as Kunming, that is in Yunnan province. So it is about 2800 kilometers long corridor which covers four major countries: China, India, Bangladesh and Myanmar. That's what here explained. It also covers the important regions of the four countries, that is Kolkata in India and Dhaka in Bangladesh, Manly in Myanmar and Kunming in China. It starts from Kolkata, passes through Bangladesh and Myanmar before ending at Kunming in China. Its expected cost is about $22 billion. It also aims at greater integration of trade and investment. These two are main important. It's just an economic corridor. It helps in increasing of trade and also increasing of investments in those regions between these four countries. The project also enhances its bilateral relationship with the other countries. See, by laying some sort of projects like BCIM, the bilateral relationship between these countries will enhance, because India with Myanmar bilateral relationship, and also China with Bangladesh bilateral relationship, and India China interbilateral relationships will also be enhanced through these projects. As India is a part of this BCIM, then how India will benefit from this? The main thing that we have to note here is India connectivity to that of northeastern region was very poor nowadays in this present situation. So through this initiative, as it starts through Kolkata, that is in Bengal, and later the road passes through this Bangladesh and all these things. So the India can enhance its investmental projects or also infrastructure, can increase their industries and infrastructure in the northeastern region and develop the northeastern regions. So India will gain some strong position in northeastern India also. That is in the sense the insurgencies and people revolts and Naga revolts and all these things will be reduced. So connectivity of mainland India to northeastern region will be improved by BCIM. Through BCIM, it will also ensure the development in the northeastern region. I also said it will be India's Act East policy by giving its access to Southeast Asian nations as Act East policy. Now India is going to follow. So it will also opens the markets of Asian countries, and it will also enhance our exports. Cultural integrations with these other countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar and all these things, and also diplomatic relationship with the other three countries will also be strengthened by this initiative. Threats that India may face. What are the threats that India may face? Basically, ethnic insurgency into India. This is a major problem, as our population is the second most populous in the world. Our country stands. So even some ethnic people may insurge into India, and there lead to some differences between the tribal people. If some people enters India through these initiatives and they settles in the tribal region, they may develop they may improve their population, and they may develop groups, and they may revolt against the ethnic tribals. So it leads to ethnic insurgency and all these issues. Terrorism is the main thing, as Myanmar and China, the regions which passes through BCIM, it mostly consisting of some sort of forests. So for us, so terrorism may also increase, and some sort of external state actors may also enter through the into the countries through these regions. And also smuggling is a main thing, and cross-border human trafficking is also main threat that India may face through this initiative. May or may not face, but major these threats may India face through this initiative. China's inner intention. See, basically China, along with these four countries, now the China's thing is it want to open out its markets to out the world. Basically, the region of Strait of Malacca, which was mostly controlled by the US, so it want to open some of the regions or some positions in Indian Ocean, so it can access to the varied markets in the Indian Ocean region. So by this initiative, it may reach through Bay of Bengal through Bangladesh, and also it has also the other project called as CEPEC, China Pakistan Economic Corridor. Through this also it can open through to Bay of Bengal region. It can open to Indian Ocean through Gadar port. It also seeks to revive its South Silk Route between Assam and Yunnan province, and it is a project, inner project of the One Belt One Road initiatives. Closest to the China can open the markets to the Asian countries also, so even its exports may increase. And this is the main inner intention of the China, and this is about the China, India, the inner diplomatic relationships and inner profits, and also the main intention of BCIM project. That's all.